So starting with unique constraint, unique constraint ensures that a field or column will only have unique values. A unique constraint field will not have duplicate data. This constraint can be applied at column level or table level as well. So we can say if unique constraint is applied on any attribute, then that attribute cannot accept null values and that attribute cannot accept duplicate values as well. And the second property of unique constraint is that unique constraint can be applied on a column level as well as unique constraint can be applied on a table level as well. Or in other words, we can say unique constraint can be applied on an individual column separately or unique constraint can be applied on combination of attributes as well. So here is an example that how we can apply unique constraint when we are going to create a table. So I am just copying this line, which is this one. So copying this query and pasting it in workbench. Basically it is already pasted over here. As unit table already contains a student table, so I am dropping this table and then again creating. So you can drop a table by using both the ways, by using query or by using GUI. By using GUI, just click on database, click on tables, then click on this, then click on that particular table which you are going to draw. Then click on drop table. Or in other ways, by using query, which is drop command, drop table, and the name of table is a student. So I am dropping by using this query. Okay, so table has been dropped and now I am creating again. So I am copying this query and pasting here because till line number 5 we have discussed null constraint. Now we are discussing unique constraint. Okay. So create table student. Now instead of null, I am using unique. So after the data type varchar, you have to specify unique if you want to apply unique constraint on any attribute. So just select the query, click on execute button. Query has been executed successfully. You can verify this by using describe command. So I am executing this describe command. So here you can see that SID field or SID attribute contains UNI characters under key column. UNI means unique key is applied on SID attribute, and here null it is written as yes. It means that unique key constraint is applied on attribute, but this attribute can still accept null values as well. But remember that only single null value is acceptable, not more than one null values. Okay, so the above query will declare that his ID field of a student table will only have unique values and won't take null value. Only one null value is acceptable. As I have already told that this field can now accept only single null value but not more than one values as a null value. Because as we discussed that if unique constraint is applied on any attribute, then that attribute can accept only unique values and cannot contain duplicate values as well. It means if it contains null value once, then second time it will not accept null value again. So we have used or we have applied unique constant on a table during the creation. But question is, if table is created and now we want to apply unique constant on any attribute, then how we can apply unique constant after the creation of an attribute. So this solution is given here. There are two methods, method 1 and method 2. In method 1, alter table student add unique and name of attribute. And second method is alter table student add, then constraint is a keyword, and std underscore id is name of the constraint, and unique is a keyword, and sid is a field or we can say attribute on which unique constraint is applied. So I'm going to apply both these methods on an attribute by using a student table. So let's start. For example, I am going to add a unique constraint on s name. So alter table student add unique, not on sid but s name. So s name. So constraint has been applied successfully. Let me check by using describe command. So now here you are seeing that s name also contains unique constraint as well. Clear? And other method is by using the constraint name as well. And the syntax is this one. Sorry. Alter table student add is a keyword, constraint is also a keyword, std underscore id. Here std underscore id is the name of constraint. It is good practice that you have to use this second method because when we want to drop any constraint, then the name of constraint is required. So second method is a suitable method to apply a unique constraint. Unique SID. Now a unique constraint is already applied on SID. So now I am applying unique constraint on SH. So SH, and I am writing the name of constraint as unique H. So constraint has been applied and query has been successfully executed. You can check by using describe command. So now sh also contains unique constraint. Okay, so we have learned both the ways that how you can add or apply a unique constant when you are going to create a table, and how you can add a unique constant if the table is already created. We have learned and performed both the ways. Okay, one more thing, that how we can use more than one constraint on a single attribute. For example, I want to apply a unique constraint as well as non-null constraint on SID. So unique constraint is already applied and now I am going to apply normal constraint as well. So there can be different ways, but I am applying during the creation. So first I am going to drop the student table, and now I am going to apply the normal constraint as well as unique constraint. It means I am going to apply normal and unique constraint on a single column. So let me check and perform. So these both constraints are now applied on SID. Let me confirm and check by using describe command. So now you are saying that under key column it is written as PRI. It means if normal and unique constraint are applied on a single attribute, then it creates a primary key. And here is also written as no. It means this column cannot accept null values as well. So combination of normal and unique can create a primary key as well. Clear? So unique constraint is completed now. So now we are going to start next constraint, that is primary key constraint. So starting primary key constraint. Primary key constraint uniquely identifies each record in a database. A primary key must contain unique value and it must not contain null value. While during the unique key, we have discussed that unique key contains a single null value. While if you are applying primary key, then it will contain unique values as well as it will not contain null values as well. Usually primary key is used to index the data inside the table. So using primary key constraint when creating a table. So here is an example. So I am copying this example. We have completed the things related with unique key constraint, and now we are moving to primary key constraint. As table is already created, so first I am going to drop this table. So create table student SID int primary. The information is same. There is no any change. Yes, here is S name contains normal. So primary key keywords are used when we are going to apply primary key constraint on any column. So just select the query, execute the query. Query has been executed successfully. Now just check by using describe command. So under SID attribute, it is written like PRI, and under null column it is written no. It means that this attribute cannot accept null values and only contain unique values as well. So we have applied primary key constraint on a single column, and theoretically it is discussed already that single table can only contain a single primary key, not more than one primary key. Okay. So using primary key constraint after table is created. So again there are two methods. By first method, we are not going to specify the name of constraint. And in second method, here it is written as method 1, but second one is method 2. Okay. So alter table student add constraint pk underscore sid. Here pk underscore sid is name of constraint basically, and primary key is a keyword, and sid is an attribute on which primary key is applied. So you can apply both these methods uh, by practicing the primary key at your hand. If you have any question, you may ask during the live section. The above command will create a primary key on the SID attribute. For multiple columns, or we can say table level, you can apply primary key constant like this way, like SID and home underscore city. Here home underscore city and SID are two attributes, and on two attributes we are creating a primary key. It means that this can be also considered as a composite key. Okay.